Hey, how's it going, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out a brand new trade-in, being a 2023 Harris Solstice 250. This guy has right at about 110 hours on board with the 300 horsepower Mercury, matched up with the sage green fence color, as well having a black sapphire accent going through. Beautiful looking boat from the outside, but let's check it out on the inside. All right, guys, now on the interior of the Solstice 250, starting up here in the bow. So for one, this guy has great options on board. You'll see jail audio speakers all throughout. It's got a couple subwoofers on this boat as well, so it's got a rockin' stereo system. Does also have the total lighting package. So you'll see also it's got the light rings on the inside of the cup holders, also have some underglow under the seatings, and also on the exterior is gonna have great lighting as well. But just talking about the bow seats in general, on the 25, they're very expansive seating up here. I'm right at about 5'10". As you can imagine, I have plenty of room right here and even more room for other passengers to sit. Now that also duals as a great amount of storage underneath these seats as well. As you can see, plentiful storage all the way around, and having that Harris quality for your seats, it's super easy to open these guys up, store all your items for the day, and get on your way. But then we also do have the ski locker down below. This is great for storing things like cover poles and extra fenders like we have on here. So we have a total of 4 fenders on this boat, as you'll see that we have 2 additional on the stern of the boat. Then as we're walking back towards the stern here, do want to show that we got excess storage here, but also a great jail audio subwoofer. So again, adding to that premium sound system that is on this boat. Then you'll also notice 2 more speakers midship, right next to the co-captain's chair and even right next to the captain's chair. These are fully adjustable seats as well, foldable armrests, adjustable backs, and they do swivel 360 degrees. So comfort is absolutely key on here. Now going over to our SIMRAD screens, we have dual 9-inch SIMRADs, which is great for looking at your engine info or even looking at your hours, which I said was right at 110. And even having a great chart plotter to navigate the lake nice and easy. And then if you focus on the digital throttle over there, we also do have active trim programmed onto this boat. So it's super easy to just go ahead, click some buttons and be on your way and not have to touch anything. Now also too, we have the power top on this boat, so I can easily go over to the helm here, go ahead and lower that tower down for any kind of storage reasons. Really makes the flexibility of this boat, and again, just making everything very easy where you really don't have to touch a whole lot. Also too, something that you guys will not see on the video here, but it does have 2 covers that go with this boat. A mooring cover that covers up the entire interior, and then also has individual seat covers, as well as seat covers for the helm chairs as well. Then going back here to the sun lounger, you're gonna see that this is a 3-position lounger, as we can rock it back this way, and then even drop it all the way down and have a really comfortable spot to lay down at over here. Coming back here to the stern, you'll see that we do have our safety railing here. I love the safety rails because it allows us to ride on the lounger underway, but also gives us another great place to store our fenders at. So really flexible on that use. 4-step telescoping ladder, and then where the party's at back here, the 300 horsepower Mercury V8. Packs a punch with how much horsepower it's got, but it's very, very quiet back here for those nice evenings. If you guys have any questions or want to take it out on the water, just let us know. Thank you guys for watching.